In this video clip, I'm going to show you guys how we can create a different 3D view instead of a default 3D view. And also we are going to review some of those additional tools or settings we probably already mentioned, but you may not haven't really practiced very much, like the site creating the topo surface. We just did that, and I will just quickly go through the topo surface creation. So first let's create a 3D view which is different than the default 3D view. Click the View tab, then click Camera. By the way, we need to click the entry level, so this is the level we're going to use and to create a 3D view. Camera. Then now you can see a camera. Just pick a location where you want the angle to be at, basically the perspective. And then this is the tool, the direction you're going to see it. So now you can see there's a 3D view right over the right side of your project browser. You can see a new view has been created named 3D View 1. So if you are not very satisfied with this 3D view, you can always do a little change. So for example, we can change the crop view and we can move down a little bit. So crop region, or you can completely uncheck crop region, so it will be something like this. So this is basically the 3D view we just created. Of course, if you would like to rename it, then you can right click the 3D view 1 and rename it whatever the name you want. I'm not going to do that. Now let's go back to the tool entry level. So probably some of you guys may wonder why we missed the other part of the wall. So this will bring us back to the floor plan properties, and probably you guys noticed that we mentioned something before about the underlay, because currently the underlay is the top is entry, the base is lower level. So in order to see the other part of the wall, we actually have to see the foundation. So now you can see the other part of the wall is already shown. Alright, so now let's quickly review the site modeling. So we're going to model the site, which is after the grading. Masking and Site tab, Topo Surface. We're just going to completely use the placing point to create the terrain. Double click the site. That's something we always need to make sure we are on the right level, which is the site. Placing points, and the starting elevation is going to be -0 feet and 6 inches. I think I made some mistakes. I think now it should be fine. Now pick our first point. I'm just going to actually enter some points. Then I'm going to pick our second point, which is going to be at the elevation of negative 10 feet. I'm going to pick from somewhere here. Then the remaining portion I'm going to set at 11 feet. It's going to be right over here. Then hit OK. So probably you guys may wonder why I don't have so many contour lines, and that you may need to do some settings right over here at the interval of, for example, 2 feet, then apply so you can see more contour lines. Go back to our 3D view. So now you can see the created terrain, and of course if you want to change this to medium and then change this to shaded view, so it will look like this. Alright, I think this video is more like a review of the previous stuff that we did. So hopefully your memory has got refreshed on some of those tools we have introduced before. That's it for this video.